My biggest thing is whole, natural, real foods. So like if I'm going to have a burger, I want to try to have a grass-fed burger. If I want to have, a salad, I want to try to make it organic, but again, I eat what my body's craving, but I just try to pick whole foods if I can. But that doesn't mean like if I'm going to have a brownie, I'm probably going to have one that's gluten-free, that doesn't have a ton of chemicals in it. That's my biggest thing. So I'm not going to deprive myself, because for me personally, anytime I deprive, that's going to lead to a binge. But I am going to be ultra conservative on what the chemicals is. My most important thing. Is this a real whole food that's not laden with chemicals is my biggest thing.
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waste Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have two podcasts. One's called Waste Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the fastingresetsummit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.